For somebody who hasn't done it before, I have to say that Mille Miglia is really grueling. So it's 3-4 days of really intense driving from 6-7 o'clock in the morning till late at night.
Fun. That's the best ingredient you could ever get out of Mille Miglia.
So the Mille Miglia is one of the oldest motorsports events in the world. It's been going since 1927. Woodham Mortimer, 35-year-old company based in Chelmsford, carries out race preparation, sales, restorations and service work in a large workshop. So we're a global partner of Mille Miglia, which puts us in a great position because that gives us a number of places that we can offer to our clients. So we offer a full bespoke package where it's a turnkey solution. A customer will give us their keys and we look after everything then. Each car is supported by at least 2 technicians. Pre-event, we'll check the vehicle over at Woodham Mortimer before it comes here. We're dealing with cars that can be 60, 70 years old. And all we can do is do all the full checks, but at the moment we've got 100% completion rate and we want to carry on that. Woodham Mortimer is a name that people will recognise, but actually Woodham Mortimer is going through a transition back to the original name of JD Classics. And again, it's to actually pull on that history of the quality of restoration, the quality of service work.
Yeah. This year I'll be driving a Porsche 356. I've driven it twice before. This is the third time we're doing it with the same car.
This year's Mille Miglia, we're driving a 1957 bright red Ford Thunderbird.
Because it was on my bucket list to race here in the Mille.
I'm driving a 1950 Jaguar XK120. This has been on my bucket list for a long time, so this is the first time for me.
Thankfully, we both are doing it because we both couldn't have done it without each other. It's a very physical and hard-working experience.
It's really, it's also a race about endurance, for sure.
I love the 120, but to be able to drive it in this kind of race is really special. And this one, I have to say, has been really well prepared.
One of the main roles we have every night is to service the customers' cars to make sure they are in tip-top condition. We pride ourselves on the thoroughness of our checking. We have all the equipment here, lights, canopies, tools, and we also have the Arctic truck that we bring to each event. Basically, it's safety. We make sure that the car is safe to go on the road for our clients. The customers are then assured that they can drive it to their utmost capability and know that the car is going to be safe.
think when you come to a rally like the Mille Miglia, the preparation of the car is paramount. To have the car ready to go and have the right support in place should anything go wrong, go amiss, you know, it's vital if you want to finish the race. And this car was well prepared. You know, I just love to drive, and you know, any rally that takes me to a beautiful place with a great road, you know, that suits me just fine.
We'll be doing the Mille for quite some time. It's become a family affair.
Oh, it was awesome.
Life-changing.
Experience of a lifetime. I mean,
It really
for
is.
Sure. How do you get home and explain it to your friends? You really can't. It's
can't.
an unbelievable experience.